Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up dark mode in our Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To change our visual mode, we have to go to settings and we are looking for display. In display at the top we have two options by default, light and dark. Default one is light one, but if we want to, we can switch to dark mode. And as you can see, our phone is now darker. Of course, we can always change it in the way we want by just going back to light mode if you don't want our dark mode. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.